Okay, so I'm going to be traveling out of state this month, and I got two helmets. One of the helmets I already did a video. And again, I didn't want to spend too much money because I typically don't wear a helmet, but this one is going to be the Sena Outrush R. And again, the video was already made, and it's just a quick unboxing, what you can expect on the box and all that. But the cool thing about this helmets is that they have the Sena included, so essentially you don't have to spend extra money. I have done in the past where I got a Shoei helmet, a Sena, and it could get really expensive. So if you're on a budget, this may be a choice for some of you guys. This is going to be the other one that I got. The biggest reason why I went with two different ones was because the Sena, it was great. It looks like it would have been my favorite, but the front is like too close to my sheen, and I just did not like it. So this is the one that I'm going to show you today. Again, I'm going to do full reviews on this helmets in the future. But again, it's going to be the Sedici, I believe it's pronounced. And here it is right there. So again, pretty decent looking helmet. It looks just like your typical black helmet, nothing super crazy. But again, a couple things that I like about this that I thought for the price, it was not bad. Obviously, it has a Sena right here. It allows you to connect to 4 different people, which is good. Depends what kind of money you spend on this Sena. It's the technology that you're gonna have. You have some of the technology out there where you could connect to multiple different riders. In this case, it's gonna be Bluetooth, so you're gonna connect with 4 different riding. I really don't like talking to a lot of people while I'm riding, but you know what? I needed a helmet. Like I said, I'm going to be going out of state. And here's the front right here. You open it up right there and you're going to have a visor, which the interesting thing, it comes down right here. So again, as you press this, you can see the visor coming down, right? So up, down, right? So again, it's going to be right here. The inside looks red. I wish it would have been blue or maybe different colors. I got a blue bike. But again, the inside is going to be red. I'm going to put it on. And this is kind of what you got right here. That's it. Let me give you a look around. So again, it doesn't look bad at all. It feels comfortable. It doesn't feel like, you know, too tight or anything like that. It kind of rings small because I went to a pretty big size. But again, for the money that you pay for this, it's really inexpensive. And like I say, it does come with the Bluetooth as well. DOT approved back here, and also ECE as well. I'm looking at the box right here just to show you a couple of the things that it comes in the box. You're going to have the instructions. Make sure you take a look at this because it's going to tell you how to connect your Sena and all that. You're going to have a couple little things right here for your microphone, of course. You're going to have a little bag right here. You're going to have your cable to do any updates and things like that. A couple warning stuff and stickers. Little book right here with more information. And this warning as well. Let me get my old man glasses just to kind of read about this stuff that it says right here. Sena is going to be the DW06 Pro build. It's going to have Bluetooth 4.1 capability, anti-fog, anti-scratch. You got your adjustment on the strap as well. And again, that one that I got was the extra large because it does run small, or at least that's kind of what I figured. I'm just going to put this helmet side by side with the Sena helmet. Again, both are kind of like budget choices, but if you're looking for a helmet, you don't want to spend a lot of money, this may be a choice for some of you guys out there. Just a final thought. Remember, this one is going to be a full-size helmet right here. The Sena is going to be a modular helmet, so the front is going to be able to pop up. There you have it, guys. Let me know what you think, and as always, gotta stay in control.